Can I use potato on my face every day? Yes, potato is a natural fruit from the ground that can be used for your face. It has been scientifically proven to help reduce wrinkles and fine lines, while also moisturizing and softening skin. Potatoes are filled with antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients that are all great for your skin. Can potatoes remove wrinkles? Yes, potatoes are a godsend staple that is stacked with vitamin C, a great anti-aging agent. When mushed with skin-tightening properties, this simple kitchen ingredient is as good or even better than professional beauty products. How to use potato to remove wrinkles. Squeeze the potato for its juice and apply it to the visible creases using a cotton swab. Keep it for 20 minutes or so, and wash it off thoroughly. Stick to the routine religiously for visible results. Does potato help with oily skin? Yes, potato helps with oily skin. Summer season is the biggest enemy for oily skins, and spending an exorbitant amount on fancy beauty products just for that is unwise. In a situation such as this, crafting your own face mask using potato can turn out to be an experience you'll pass on to generations. The resulting fresh and radiant skin is the combined work of potato with its skin-brightening enzyme, catechol and lemon juice with its antibacterial acidic properties that helps in opening the skin pores. How to use potato for oily skin. Peel and grate a potato in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of rose water and lemon juice each in it. Mix well and apply it to your face for 15 minutes. Side tip: if the problem is dry skin, just add honey instead of lemon juice and you are good to go. Even glycerin is another subtle really good for dry skin. Do potatoes help with acne? Yes, potatoes can help with acne problems. The enzymes in the potato will help open your skin pores, leaving behind clear skin ready to take on the world. How to use potato to remove acne. Squeeze enough juice out of the potato and apply it to the problem area. Use a Q-tip, wait for at least 20 minutes and wash it off thoroughly. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.